welcome the Turbo Twister. Please keep your hands and legs inside the vehicle. Unless you want to wave up in the air like you wave like you just don't care. Have a little fun. Thank you for being here with us. When you come back to the station, we'll help you out. You can park your van. We'll have fun. Awesome.